gonna give you a really simple recipe right now. Too simple, except that you're gonna love it. It's called pan de tomate in Spanish, which means bread and tomato. Yes, it's that simple. This is a great lunch snack, breakfast snack, dinner snack, midnight snack, 3 in the morning snack, anytime. And all you need is some good rustic bread, the kind with the nice big bubbles in it, nice holes like ciabatta bread, a good baguette, something rustic. You don't necessarily want to go with a heavy whole grain bread because they have a lot of honey and sweet things in them. You want a neutral flavored bread. If you're going to use whole grain, try to find one that's not too sweet. And here's all we're going to do. This is great, and these are the Spanish. They love these simple recipes. I've toasted my bread. I toasted this in a skillet with a little oil. I'm going to take a clove of garlic and rub my bread with the garlic. I'm not putting chopped garlic. Oh my God. It smells fantastic. The bread's still slightly warm, and it's rough enough that it's actually scraping some of the garlic on there. So we rub the bread with garlic, just like that, right? Then we take a nice extra ripe tomato and cut it in half. And we take this tomato and we squeeze it right onto the, look at that, squeeze it onto the bread. Get all that good juice out. Squeeze it right onto the bread, just like that. Now, there are people that talk about the seeds in tomatoes and the recent tests done on where most of the flavor comes from the tomato. The highest concentration of flavor ketones, which is the aromatic flavor, is from that little slimy part around the seed. That's the most flavorful part. So we have bread, tomato, we have olive oil, and we hit it with a little bit of good quality salt. And that, my friends, is pan and tomato. Pan and tomate, bread and tomato. I know it's simple. I know you're gonna make it and you're gonna love it. And once you make this, it's like great for the kids, great anytime.